Can you find 10 energy connections used by Jennifer Lopez and Billie Eilish? Are you ready to superchange your process to fulfillment? In this exclusive post, we'll move into the world of energy connection patterns with insights from A-list celebrities like Jennifer Lopez, Billie Eilish, Jim Carrey, and Beyonce. This is only for those individuals who are hungry to take their products or service effectively to the world. This post is a ticket to unlocking unlimited potential. Connect with us at carreyruff.com as we find and use the secrets behind their phenomenal success and uncover the hidden energy connections that drive their success and achievements. After watching and listening to these celebrities, you'll be amazed by how many energy connection patterns that you can use in your work culture and in your life. From Jennifer Lopez's unstoppable drive to Jim Carrey's transformative mindset, each celebrity offers valuable lessons in harnessing the power of energy to manifest their dreams. I'll guide you through practical exercises to help you recognize and leverage energy connection patterns in your own life and in your own career. Pick up your notebook and get ready to uncover the secrets of success and fulfillment with me as your guide to this transformation. carreyruff.com, the connection strategist. Let's move into the power of energy connection together. It's time to superchange your life. We're cracking the code to unlock your full potential with a 3-step master pattern that I have dubbed energy connections. We're moving way beyond the surface and tap into what truly fuels our human needs. That's our beliefs, our emotions, and our intentions. Next, physical communication. It's about small action steps with a massive impact. It can change things. It can transform things. I'm talking about the moves that shake the ground under our feet. And finally, resilience and growth. You'll get tools and tips, not just about bouncing back, but bouncing forward when life spins out of control. Plus, discover why the best victories are won when you're on a team and working together.
Yeah, and I also feel that things that I repetitively think about or say, I'm able to manifest. Like, this house, for example, I manifested this.
But most people can't sustain that level of discipline to manifest the things that they want in their life.
Well, I will say that the cover of Sports Illustrated and the cover of Vogue were on my vision board.
Really?
Yes.
You made vision boards?
Yes, that's my whole message. Speak what you want, make it your truth, and it will come true. It took me 2 years. It took the vision board that I still have up 2 years. And that doesn't matter because patience will bring you so much more.
I have so many affirmations that I do, and I've done affirmations for a long time. I believe that how you think, and I teach my kids this, your thoughts create your life. And so you have to think positive thoughts all the time. You have to force yourself to think positive thoughts at times. And so I do a lot of different affirmations. I'm open and receptive to all the goodness and abundance the universe has to offer.
If you want to achieve something, or if you want to do something, you got to speak it into existence. So like, say you want a car, or you want
something or you want to be successful or whatever, just keep talking about it. You know what I mean? Just keep on believing in yourself and say, you know what, I'm gonna do this.
If you can see it here and you have the courage enough to speak it, it will happen. So I see these shots, I see these sequences, and I don't shy away from them. A lot of times people believe in certain things, but they keep to themselves. They don't put it out there. If you truly believe in it, if you become vocal with it, you are creating that law of attraction and it will become reality.
I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever.
This was in like 1987, 85,
yeah.
And
I had nothing at that time, so it was like, but it just made me feel better. But then, just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million. That's the thing. You can't just visualize and then, you know, go eat a sandwich.
We were talking about like making music. Like we were like, what if we made music together? And he goes, I'm gonna make you the biggest pop star in the world. And I was like, haha, like we laughed.
When was this? How long ago was this?
2015, the beginning of 2015.
That's crazy.
But it's sort of like a mantra. It's kind of, you know, you repeat it to yourself every day. Music is my life. Music is my life. The fame is inside of me. I'm going to make a #1 record and with #1 hits. And it's not yet. It's a lie. You're saying a lie over and over and over again. And then one day, the lie is true.
But everything we do in life, sex, first dates, food, everything, we imagine it before it happens. Everything. Like even this interview, you imagined how it was gonna go before it happened. Even I did.
I am a production of me. I sat around and thought about it and then became Kanye West.
The time is now. The time is now to express and for people to believe in themselves. The time is now for it to be okay to be great.
Are you the best footballer in the world right now?
I think so, yes. In my mind, I'm always the best. I don't care what the people are thinking, what they say. In my mind, not just this year, but always, I'm always the best. I'm always going to say that because I think we have to thinking we are the best in our area. So in my area, I think I'm the best.
You have to meet the vibration. You can't be above or below it. In order to draw the thing to you that you want to come, you can't want it so much that you fear that you won't get it. You have to want it. So in order for me to be on your vision board, you must have put it there and then you let it go.
Yes.
And then you weren't thinking about it every day. Because you can't, it doesn't come to you that way. You have to do it and then you have to put it and then you have to meet that vibration. You have to prepare yourself to be there and ready when it shows up.
Now there you have it. Let's wrap this up with something that you can truly use. Every day we've got choices. Connect with your heart. Talk with passion and purpose. And don't give up when things get tough. Watch as the world starts to change and transform in your favor. Together, we're not just dreaming, we're doing. Let's craft the quality of life that we truly deserve. Keep connecting and moving your energy differently. I'm Carrey Ruff. Are you ready to skyrocket your success? I'm looking for 5 ambitious souls eager to connect their product, service, or skills with the world in just 30 days. You want in? Just check out the full details at carreyruff.com and include what you're passionate about and why you should be one of the 5. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to avoid missing this life-changing opportunity. Let's create together.